Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kraken, a popular VPN service. I've been using Kraken for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. I've also been getting a lot of questions from viewers about Kraken, so I thought I would do a video about it. In this video, I'm going to answer the following questions. What is Kraken? How does Kraken work? What are the benefits of using Kraken? What are the drawbacks of using Kraken? How many people use Kraken? Before I get into the details of Kraken, I want to talk about why I think VPNs are important. In today's world, our privacy is constantly being invaded. Our internet activity is being tracked by our ISPs, governments, and advertisers. VPNs can help to protect our privacy by encrypting our internet traffic. This means that no one can see what we're doing online, not even our ISP. VPNs can also be used to bypass censorship. This is important because many countries censor the internet. If you're in a country with censorship, a VPN can help you to access blocked websites and content. Now that I've talked about the benefits of using a VPN, let's get into the details of Kraken. Kraken is a VPN service that is based in the Cayman Islands. This means that it is not subject to the same data retention laws as VPNs that are based in other countries. Kraken offers a variety of different plans, including monthly, quarterly, and annual plans. Kraken also offers a free trial, so you can try it out before you commit to a subscription. Kraken is compatible with a variety of devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. Kraken also has a browser extension that you can use to protect your privacy while browsing the web. Benefits of using Kraken. Kraken is based in the Cayman Islands, which means that it is not subject to the same data retention laws as VPNs that are based in other countries. Kraken offers a variety of different plans, including monthly, quarterly, and annual plans. Kraken also offers a free trial, so you can try it out before you commit to a subscription. Kraken is compatible with a variety of devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. Kraken also has a browser extension that you can use to protect your privacy while browsing the web. Drawbacks of using Kraken. Kraken is a bit more expensive than some other VPN services. Kraken's customer support could be better. How many people use Kraken? It is difficult to say exactly how many people use Kraken. However, Kraken is one of the most popular VPN services on the market. According to SimilarWeb, Kraken has over 1 million monthly visitors. I think Kraken is a great VPN service. It is fast, reliable, and secure. I would recommend it to anyone who is looking for a VPN to protect their privacy and security online. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, you can visit their website or check out their YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.